our patient. So I'm gonna go ahead and
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Jumaya. I'm gonna be your nurse for today. I'm gonna be performing head to toe assessment. Is it okay for me to touch
this
you?
is your drink, okay?
Is it okay for me
So
to
we don't
palpate
waste a lot
you?
of,
Yes. I'm gonna do the hand
don't get wet
hygiene.
during the procedure.
How are you supposed to hold it down?
And then this is the basin with warm water.
Diba?
And this is the tissue just in case, you know, if you ever need it.
Back and forth.
Can you
And then
can you tell me your name,
water with
please?
straw.
Michelle Cabrera.
So
Can you tell me
whenever
the
I
date of
instruct you
birth?
to
April 8th,
sip,
1984.
a water,
Do
take
you
a
know
sip,
where you at?
okay? Because
Hospital.
then
Do
that's
you
when
know
I
where you're
advance
here?
you.
For head to toe assessment.
Do you know the date
The
today?
date today is Tuesday.
Do you know what the time?
6 o'clock.
Patients alert-oriented times 4 with no evidence of physical or mental
Now I'm gonna go ahead and
distress.
measure the
Do
tube,
you have any
okay?
allergy, Miss Michelle?
No allergies.
I'm gonna go ahead and get your vital signs.
Okay, so let me just measure, use him to measure the tube. Okay, so from the earlobe to the tip of the nose.
Temperature is
From the tip of the nose to
97.3.
the xiphoid process.
Checking for the
There
respiratory
you go.
rate.
So now we make a mark.
You want to change?
Alright. And then I'm gonna soak this
It won't
to
put you on dry well. Do it
warm
there.
water
Try to put it by yourself. You don't have to put the glove in. Just try to insert it.
for 10 minutes.
Is it
Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my other supply. I wanna make sure I have my lubricant gel.
Respiratory
prepare the
rate is
tape that I'm gonna be
70
using
per
to secure
minute.
the
Blood
tube
pressure
later.
is 145 over 100.
Then make
Pulse
sure I
rate is
cut it
91 beats per minute. Oxygen saturation is 96%.
to create a butterfly.
Yung ba yung ulo natin kanina?
And also this is the basin. just in
Head
case
is
it's
normocephalic, atraumatic, hair fairly distributed. Scalp, no
This is,
lesions, free of
the water
infestations.
with
Do you wear
straw.
hearing aid?
No.
Ear symmetrical, bilaterally.
So when we
no,
position the
skin
patient, we
intact,
wanna make
no
sure that
lesions
the
or
wheel
swelling.
is
I'm gonna
like
go
behind
ahead
their
and check
shoulder,
your tympanic
and then
membrane
their
and your
head is
ear canals.
hyperextended.
Ear canal, free of
Okay.
foreign
I'm
body,
gonna go
no foreign
ahead and grab my
bodies,
tube.
no
If
discharge.
you're holding it.
Bilaterally, tympanic membrane for
And I wanna make sure
and with good light
lubricate the
reflections.
tube.
Bilaterally, do you wear can you close your eyes for me and tell me where you hear the sounds, okay?
Because they're sitting up.
Right.
Your neck is straight. If you have it like that, everything's bent.
Hearing intact bilaterally.
Okay, so now I'm gonna get
Can
ready
you
to
open your
insert the
eyes,
tube,
please?
okay?
Eyes symmetrical, no signs of ptosis, strabismus, sclera is white. Conjunctiva is pink and moist. I'm gonna go
Okay.
ahead and check your
I'm gonna get ready
pupil.
now,
I'm gonna
okay?
introduce light,
I'm gonna
okay?
insert it now. I want you to take a sip of water. Sip, swallow, swallow, swallow. Do it slowly. Swallow.
going somewhere.
Pupils, and then I'm gonna introduce
Then
an
make sure
object. I
the
want you to
back of
follow
the
it
tube,
only
or
with your
actually
eyes,
to make
okay?
sure that the tube is not coiled there. So,
Alright.
alright, it's not coiled, and I can see the tube there at the back of the throat. So now I can ask the patient to tuck their chin down.
6 cardinal gaze med, pupil equal round with the
Tuck your chin.
reactive to light and
Are you doing okay?
accommodation.
Do you
Can
need rest?
you close your
Alright.
eyes for me,
Okay,
please?
so now take a
I'm gonna
sip
go ahead
again.
and check your
Swallow.
nose
Swallow.
midline with no deformity, no lesions,
Swallow.
nasal septum intact,
Swallow.
nasal passages Nasal passages, no discharge or foreign bodies, no evidence of polyps. Nasal mucosa, pink and moist.
Swallow.
Can you cover one of your nostrils and breathe, please? The other one. Nose is patent with ease of breathing. Do you wear dentures?
Swallow.
Lips pink and moist. Can you open your mouth for me, please?
Swallow.
That's Zeit voice.
We're almost there.
Oral mucosa, pink and moist. Teeth is in good repair. Can you say?
Alright, so now we've reached the mark that I
Uvula
made earlier.
symmetrical, races upon phonation, no
I'm
slurred
gonna go ahead and
speech,
secure this with
no
tape.
hoarse voice. Can you smile for me? No symmetrical scene on the facial of the patient. Can you put your can you stick your tongue out? Move it up and down,
Alright.
right and left.
Okay, so now
Tongue with line
so
without
I'm gonna order
tremors
the
with
X-ray
the
right now to see if the tooth
5
is in
over 5
place.
muscle strand.
Um,
I'm gonna go ahead and
Until
check
then,
your
you need
back.
anything else from me?
Skin at the back is
Are you in any
intact.
pain? Do you
Bony
need pain medicine?
prominences, no
You're
swelling
okay?
or
Alright.
evidence of
Do you need any more water?
lesions,
Fine.
no spinal deformity,
Just gonna
seam.
change my gloves.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and listen to your lungs.
Order for
As I move the
I'm gonna lower
stethoscope,
the
I want you
bed.
to in and out, okay?
I just want to make sure that we don't lay the patient flat. I'm gonna
Oh, I need to tape this. I need to.
lay the patient at least 30 degrees, 30 to 45 degrees. Is that comfortable for you? Is that good? All right. Is there anything else I can do for you? Do you need the curtain closed or open? Closed? All right, I will close it. Do you need any belongings near you? You're okay? All right. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the area.
Lung sounds clear, and
By the way, do you need to go potty?
bilaterally, chest
No?
rises, up and down, symmetrical, bilaterally, no
All right, thank you so
clear
much.
sounds,
Here's your
with no
table.
harsh voice, with no wheezes,
And your remote is
crackles,
here,
or
okay? Do you
bronchi.
want the lights on
Heard.
or lights off?
I'm gonna go ahead and check
All
for
right,
your
thank you so much. Dispose the gloves.
no
Sanitize
tinted
before
signs,
leaving
so
the
no
room.
signs of edema on the chest area.
Thank you.
Intact skin intact, and no lesions, no swelling. So go ahead and listen to your heart sound. Aortic, pulmonic, tricuspid. Excuse me. Apical, listen for a whole 1
Hi, Vanessa. I am your nurse today. Today we'll be removing your NG2. Can you state your name and your birthday? Any allergies? No allergies. So the order says remove your NG2 for Edward Cullen. Okay, perfect. Right order, right position. Now I'm gonna put it on a working position. And then high Fowlers.
Apical is 94 beats per minute. Presence of S1 and S2 with no murmurs, crackle, no murmurs, rubs or clicks. Heard. Miss Michelle, I want you to follow me, okay? I want you to put your hands in front of you. Put your palm up. Put your palm down. Put your hands up on your side, and I want you to wiggle your hands. Then can you
Here's your faces.
hold my hands and grip it? Can you push?
I'm gonna turn off the suction.
Can you pull?
Turn off the suction.
Patient is able to perform ROM on both upper extremities within normal range with muscle grade of 5/5. Checking for the radial pulse.
Tape.
Equal strong on both upper extremities bilaterally.
Fresh.
+2.
And then the safety
I want you to
pin.
close your eyes, please, and tell me where you feel the where I touch you.
Right. And now
Sensation
I want you to hold your
intact in both
breath.
upper extremities, and checking for edema.
1, 2, 3. Perfect. And
No
then
signs
this
of
goes in the
edema in
trash.
both upper extremities bilaterally. Checking for the capillary refill. Capillary
We're gonna go
refill
ahead
less
and clean
than
your nose.
2 seconds. Can you lay down for me, please, Miss Michelle? I'm gonna put the head of the bed to 45 degrees to check on the JVC
Let me know if you need anything.
and put the bed up on my working level.
Bed.
Miss Michelle, can you look on your right side, please? No JVC. When was your last bowel movement?
This morning.
Do you have any difficulty during bowel movement?
Okay, and
Can you describe me the consistency?
So,
Do you have any problem urinating?
no.
Do you have any itchiness?
No.
Abnormal discharge? Do you have any problem with your menstrual period?
No.
Checking the genitoanal of the patient. No skin is intact. No redness. No swelling. No itching. No abnormal discharge. I'm gonna go ahead and listen to your abdomen, okay? I'm gonna put down the head of the bed. Abdomen is flat and round. I'm gonna go start with the right lower quadrant. Right lower quadrant, 5 to 10 seconds. Right upper quadrant, 5 to 10 seconds. Left upper quadrant, 5 to 10 seconds. Left lower quadrant, 5 to 10 seconds. Bowel sounds, normal. With hyperactive sounds in all quadrants. I'm gonna go ahead and palpate. Tell me if you feel any tenderness. No tenderness upon palpation, no swelling, no organomegaly, and no evidence of hernia. Checking for the lower extremities. Miss Michelle, can you put your right knee on your chest, please? How about the left knee as well? Can you touch my hands with your right, with your left? Can you push? Can you pull? Can you dorsiflex and plantar flex, please, for me?
Volume to be delivered pala to.
Both
Volume to be delivered. Hindi natin,
patient is able to perform ROM on both lower extremities within normal limit
yun yung
with
total volume
muscle
nito.
grade strength
So, laging
5.5. Skin is intact,
kasi hanggang
dry,
1,000 lang to.
bony prominences, no evidence of swelling or infections or lesions.
Kunin yun,
So
10.
checking for the
Pala 0.
posterior tibialis, dorsalis pedis. Posterior tibialis and dorsalis pedis are equal, strong, plus 2 without
So,
fluid
10
in
ml,
both
di ba yung
lower
order kanina?
extremities.
10
Checking
ml.
for edema.
Tapos,
Yung flush.
Or hindi tayo umabot dyan kasi.
No evidence of edema on both lower extremities. Checking for the capillary refill. Capillary refill less than 2 seconds. Miss Michelle, is there any question? Do you have any question for me? I'm gonna put down the bed to the lower position. Do you wanna use putty? Do you want your light off?
Leave it on.
Do you want your curtain closed?
Yeah.
Do you want your things with you?
Oh, yes.
Here are your things. Here's your call button. So if there's anything you need, just press it, and I'm gonna be here to check on you. Thank you, Miss Michelle. Adento assessment done.
bolus.
I'm gonna do the hand hygiene.
110.
Thank you.